Hey guys, so today I went to Michael's. It turned out they have a lot of stuff on sale right now. Obviously all the Christmas stuff is 40% off. But I went got something not really Christmassy. So let me show you. I thought this is a really good buy. This is on sale. This is more for Christmas item, 50% off. On sale for $2.99. They got all these colors, 8 of them for $2.99. I thought that's a really good price, because last time I remember one, if you go Dollar Tree, one is $1, and then if you go to, I think JOANN'S was on sale, it wasn't that much, but this is like $2.99. And I like the colors. This one mixed with gray and red, and then there's gold and silver. It's all red, all like Christmassy. I thought this one have good combinations. And then I saw this is good price. There's 2 of this color, pink color, and then there's 2 travel kind of map style cover. I like the map one. However, it was actually damaged. So this one, I got this one. I thought it was cute. This it was $20 on sale for $4.99, and it's Scrapbook Album, 8.5 and 11 inches. I thought this is kind of cute and different. And all these you can put I guess pretty paper pads in here and do all the scrapbooking. And also this is pretty good for the gift, if someone well, it's obviously for girl or for woman. So I thought that was actually, I almost got 2 of them because it's $4.99, really good price. You hardly see any photo album for this price anymore. And I thought I was going to get one more, but I end up didn't getting it. I thought that's, yeah, I mean, this is $4.99. This is pretty good for a gift. So this is my receipt. I spent $30 today. And then I saw these. This was $1 something. I felt like today I actually saw so many stuff that I wasn't seeing. I never saw these before. Maybe I wasn't looking for it. And for this background paper pad thing, I've been looking for really a lot. And for whatever reason, I never see them in one of the section in Michael's. Today I saw them. So weird. Yeah, this is a fabric tissue. Though I thought this one, it has different colors. I thought this is nice pattern, kind of cute with beads and flowers. I can make a cover. And this is on sale for I think $3 something with the inserts, travel notebook insert. The only thing I actually like about this was there's a weekly section here. I don't know if you can see, so you can put your planner there. A lot of travel notebook I don't see. I have actually many inserts already, but all like blank or dots. I never see anything like this, like weekly planner thing. And then this was on sale. It's like travel theme, Paris. $1 something. And I thought this is cute. This is kind of like traveler notes. I was debating about it, but it was on sale too for $4.97. I like this artist. Her name is Jean Davenport. I got the tissue paper in Michael's was on sale. Also of this design is like kind of girly with watercolor designs. so I bought the napkin, and then I had a project that was Mod Podge onto a Dollar Tree binder. I thought that was really cool and nice. I kind of like it. It's very colorful, watercolorish, but I kind of like it. So I kind of like this one too. I mean, it's a little bit different. Then it's kind of like fabric. Yeah. So I like this one. And there's insert. The insert was white. Oh, it's interesting. It's pretty thick paper, actually. Thick, like, you can hear the noise. Really thick. It's only like 4 pages. But it's okay. I guess I bought insert already. But yeah, I like this cover. I have a couple of them. I bought them. There was glitter ones. I think I like this tea bath. And then I can put some charms here too. This is more like personal to me. I felt like it. Yeah, I think I'll using this one. I'm kind of happy to getting this. That's the artist. And then I saw all these the beads on 70% off. So this was $5.99, and then 70% off, like $1 something. I got these. I thought that's cute. Actually, I can use that as put onto travel notebook. I mean, I can take them out, put some on travel notebook, or actually, I can make like bracelets, or but I was thinking to use those to put on a junk journal and like charm type thing. I might go back by more. It's actually pretty. It's kind of almost like stone. So I got like bracelet. It's actually kind of cute. And then I got some thread for making junk journal. I have wax one. I thought this is pretty good size too. So yeah, and this was 20% off, so $1 something. So I'm pretty happy today. I got a lot of stuff from Michael's today. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you find this interesting, please subscribe my channel. I will post more interesting videos. Okay, bye.